What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Marky Mark here, and yes, as you can see the title, something big happened and I kind of regret it, I kind of don't, but I think it's for the best, you know. So if you read my title, as you can see, I sold my EVO 9. So all I have left is just my STI, and pretty much I don't regret it, you know. I really don't regret it. There has been a lot of thinking for that car, and it is what it is. And as you can see right here, I've done a lot of mods to the STI, you know. As from the previous video, I put the TEs on. As you can see, there's no more neon stickers, it's only the red ones. So I had to change the stickers because the neon was too faded, and because these wheels were limited, it's not like they made the neon stickers as a replacement. They weren't expecting it to be that faded, because I was looking all around, calling all around to see if they still even sell those, and they really just don't. So the only thing is, other than that, I actually put this nameless exhaust on for now, so it doesn't sound as stock, you know, as well as put some White Line Max coilovers. As much as I wanted to make videos installing all of these, to be honest with you, I was just too lazy. This whole COVID thing, it's just crazy. But that's what I did for that car, and I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. I love this car a lot, but I actually got something better as well too, you know, to replace my EVO, to replace my loss of that car. And I don't want to show it yet. I'm staring right at it, and I fucking love this car, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna save it for the next video. So I hope you guys stay tuned, because I'm actually gonna give you guys a hint of what it is if you guys continue to watch this video, okay? So I'm actually just gonna sit down here and just talk. I feel like this video is pretty much just gonna be me talking about my life, so if that is boring, please don't leave. It was more of like a good thing, kind of a bad thing, what happened to that car. As you can see, that was actually my dream car, and I did not want to sell it at all. I wanted to keep that forever, you know. But I mean, right now with this whole COVID thing, how to explain it, my situation was, you know, just drive it around, keep it, but then I needed to renew the registration for that car. And when I renewed the registration, it was saying that I needed to pretty much get it state refed. So from there, it kind of just went downhill. And I don't really want to get into it that much, but I ended up just selling it. I didn't want to have all of that time and effort to just put that car back to stock to have it pass state ref, because, you know, California emissions, which pretty much sucks. So I sold the car. It didn't really hit me of selling that car until probably like a week later or so. I think it was for the best. Right now, keeping just one car is fine, but I actually had something planned that you guys have to wait for the next video of what it is. Right now, I'm just enjoying the STI as is. Off camera, I actually did a lot of stuff already to this car. To be honest, as much as I wanted to record it, I just wanted to get it done. So that's the update. I've been good. I've just been taking shelter in place a lot. I haven't really been going out, to be honest with you, and I've been just, you know, just focusing on my own thing. It's been a long year, and I'm sure a lot of people could say the same. It's crazy, you know. This whole COVID thing pretty much messed up a lot of plans for this year. I'm sure a lot of people had plans this year. I had a lot of plans this year, and selling this EVO was actually not one of it, you know. So it's okay. Things come and go. as much as I wanted to keep that car, aka forever, I lasted a good almost 3 years with that car. And as with all the money that I invested in that car, I actually lost money. And I mean, to every car head, every time you invest so much money into the car, because for a while you'll just think that, oh my god, I'm gonna keep this forever, you know. But when you decide to finally sell the car, you don't realize how much you lost, you know. Like, for me, like, I don't want to get into money, but I lost a couple thousand selling that car. I'm like, man, that's crazy. Like, I didn't even break even to how much I bought that car, and then, like, you know, adding on to everything else that I put it onto that car is pretty much gone, you know. So it's pretty crazy. It's really crazy, but it is what it is, you know. Life goes on, and I see it as like an upgrade, you know. I sold the EVO, but for sure I'm gonna be upgrading that like anytime soon, you know. And I just wanna make this video to show you guys like how I've been and why I haven't been uploading that much. I just really haven't been uploading that much. It's just because of it just got lazy, man, to be honest. And it's like I want to venture out and do something else, but you know, it's hard, you know. Like, you gotta wear a mask everywhere, and you don't even want to trust yourself with all these people too. So it's pretty crazy, you know. And I just wish, like, hopefully soon, I mean, I don't even think anytime soon, but at least by the end of this year things will get better, you know. As much as I love driving my cars, I just need to stay safe and stay home, you know. And I hope you guys understand. So for the lack of videos, I know I said once every week, I'm gonna try to get back into that schedule. So just please bear with me. It's really hard, to be honest. Like, you see a lot of YouTubers haven't even been uploading and since this whole COVID thing started. A lot of people took advantage of it if you're just making videos from home. But when it comes to making videos for my niche of, like, you know, car content and stuff, of course you're gonna have to get out the house, you know. So it is pretty hard, and so I'm sorry if you guys haven't seen much content, the lack of content. But that was pretty much the main big thing that happened. Well, actually, there's two big things that happened since this whole COVID thing, and I can't say it yet. I gotta wait for another video because I don't want to show you guys. If you guys probably watched this whole video, when I was showing off this STI, there's a glare of this new car that I bought. And if you guys actually follow me on Instagram at amarkymark, I actually already posted a photo, but I'll make its own separate video once I feel like it. But man, oh man, like, as much as I love that EVO, this car actually upgrades it. I'm not gonna lie. It's a newer car. All I can say is a 2018, you know. And yep, I'm keeping both, STI and this other car. So if you guys are curious on what it is, like I said, follow me on Instagram so you kind of see a glimpse of what it is. But I'm gonna be making a video of it, so stay tuned. So if you guys are new, or if you guys haven't even done it but you still watch my videos, please support me by, you know, subscribing to the channel as well as liking this video. I'll really appreciate it. And, you know, right now it's just a test for everyone, you know. Once this is all over, everyone's gonna be back on their grind. And right now, the best thing you could do, to be honest, is just recollect, you know. Plan out what you want for your future. Plan out what are possibilities that you could do or change to make your life better, you know. That's all I could say, because to be honest, that's actually what I've been doing. As much as, like, not really doing much, but like I've just been thinking a lot, you know, thinking of all the possibilities that I can do, or that I can change, or I could get into, and hopefully just change my life in like a year, 2 years. But I know you need like dedication for that, you know. You can't just think about it and not do the actions for it. So I'm trying to do both, you know. I'm just trying to plan it out right now, but with the actions as well, I'm gonna get that coming. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was pretty much just me talking and I barely showed off the car, but that's that's everything, you know. And yeah, I'm happy, you know. As much as this whole lockdown and COVID, I'm happy that my friends and family are safe. They're healthy. So whatever precautions, all I can say is just wear a mask, guys. Keep your distance and just be careful, you know, because people are opening up everything again, but closing or all these cases just kept going up. So that's all I can say. Food for thought. Just stay safe, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video.